we go guillotine again. The most common thing when someone's actually stuck in a tight guillotine, a lot of times they put their back on the floor, they roll, or they try to give up now. I know it's not a good thing for you to give up, but it's a lot better than tapping. Okay? So I'm gonna go here like this again. I have the guillotine. I finish the one like this. Boom. I go again this way. Boom. Finish this one. I pop it down. Omar's fast. As soon as I go to do this, he front rolls over his shoulder and to escape. Okay, I missed the catch on the leg. All right? So understand, that's why I hold the chin. Because if he looks into me, he's going to be able to come up this way. If I stay here, I don't care if he goes back the other way. Because as he goes back the other way, I let him, I throw my leg over the back, and I finish again right there. Okay? Let's say Omar stays here. I'm going to use his chin. I also like this grip so I can use him to be light on my feet, right? With my hips, like this. So I can pull Omar's chin a little bit, touch my feet here. It's easy to lead him out. Notice how I didn't land on his hips because he's going to be bumping. So if he bumps, he hits the air. Doesn't hit my hips. Now, I drop my left knee, I pull the head up, and I staple my left elbow to the mat, like this. Now he taps again, okay? Sometimes I'll go to this position and he'll bring his hands in and try to fight my hands. So now when I see that, I can let go, come around, and roll again. And I have the anaconda choke. Come back, walk, and I finish again, okay? So if you guys understand the handwork, the way you're attacking your neck, you have a lot of options right here, okay? So I go here. I catch, and I don't care how you guys get into the guillotine in so many ways, okay? He pushes, I snap down, boom. I finish the first one with my stomach, boom, he pushes in. Second one, I go for the third one, he rolls, boom. Okay? We're gonna hold the chin so we can't turn back. We're gonna allow him to turn this way. I throw the leg over, finish, stays here, hips up. I pull the head, post the elbow on the mat. Now if he tries to bridge, he taps himself. I finish it. Now he's going to go fight my hands. I go over top, pull him in with my elbow. Okay? I pull here. Don't try and do all this stuff and let go. That's how you're going to miss. Okay? I hold the fist. I lift the fist up. Circle the hand. Steal. Now I walk.